was shocked. I was afraid because nobody can tell me what it was, why I lost my hair. So I was in hospitals. I went from doctor to doctor, and I was afraid. I thought maybe it's something dangerous. My name is Maya and I'm from Germany. It started 8 years ago and been a very fast process. I think it was over 2 or 3 days I lost all my hair. I have an Instagram account. My mission is to show every woman is beautiful in her own way, with hair, without hair. I was very sad about that story, that one girl, a couple of weeks ago, she wrote me an email that she tell her best friend that she have no hair, and her best friend were totally positive. I was so happy for her, and she was so happy, and she said to me, "You changed my life, you show me that I can live without hair." That makes me really happy. When the people see me with hair, they always think, "Oh, what a beautiful girl." But then I put my hair off and I want to show that everything has two sides. The human hair feels like my own hair. It's very silky. I like to touch it all the time. I do this. The cap feels cooler and it feels a little bit more like a part of me. Kim, yes. But just because of the lace. The color was Margot, definitely. Perfect color. Heute fühle ich mich komplett anders, als ich mich beispielsweise vor 10 Jahren gefühlt habe. Obwohl ich Perücken trage und obwohl ich keine Haare habe, fühle ich mich heute als eine bessere Version als vor 10 Jahren noch. Weil ich einfach die Möglichkeit habe, so auszusehen. It's very important for women to make sure that they find something perfect. It must be perfect. She must look in the mirror and say, okay, that is the best version of me. The first thing is that the person must know what they want. So not what my family, my friends, my husband, my colleagues want, what I want. How I want to look like. So that's the first step. Then choose a wig.